Hey, what's going on, y'all? Been a while since I've done any work on the G, so I'm gonna take the time to install this Z1 brake master cylinder brace. So the way how this mounts to the car is by those 3 threaded holes. Those are just kind of caps that cover it, but there are some Allen head bolts that kind of thread through here. Orientation wise, the scam nut goes against the brake master cylinder, kind of like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those and then try to orientate this brace and put the threads through. So I'm just using some needle nose. That's the one I'm trying to get to. Kind of broke it off. Figure out how to take out the rest of that one. So I kept dropping the brace down in there, so I figured to kind of hold it in place, I just taped it to kind of hold it on, and I kind of used the bungee cord in case it does fall. But it's in a good position at the moment, so I'm gonna try and thread it in now, and we shall see how that goes. For that, I've got, the bit, swivel head, and an extension. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Alright, so another method I am trying is, this is a magnet, and I have the bolt pretty much, being held on by the magnet, and I have it in the hole at the moment, so I just gotta find a way to thread it in. So I guess I can show you because it's not really, yeah, so you see, just like that. I'm gonna have it like this, and I just gotta find a way to try to thread it. Okay, so another trick, thread the bolt long enough so that it can actually kind of touch there and just sit on it by itself. So in this position, I can actually see the bolt holes line up. And at this point, nothing, like the tape is not holding it, it's just the shape of the brace leaning against the chassis and the master cylinder. So now I'm gonna use a magnet to try to, put the bolts into position. Okay, got 2 bolts in, not fully threaded. That center one is giving me a lot of trouble. I'm not able to kind of line it up correctly, so I'm gonna try to thread these in a little more, and hopefully the plate will line up better with that center hole. And this is also how I have the the bit with the flex head arrangement kind of going through here for that last one, and then sort of coming through this direction for that closer one. Okay, I managed to get all 3 of the bolts in. I have read that the center bolt is can sometimes be not machined right and not aligned. I actually had to kind of pry up and max out this to give it enough room to be able to even line that up. And then this socket is really helping me out. I mean, I barely have enough room, but You can see I'm only getting like, you know, 1 click in, but I mean, space is tight here, and it's pretty much gonna be like that for all of them. But once I tighten everything down, my brace is done. I mean, it's pretty much up against the master cylinder. So this should help stiffen up the pedal feel. That's really what this brace really does. I've had it on previous cars and thought that it was really nice, so that's why I figured I'd do it on this car.